how to purchase merchandise through the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So did you know that you can snag official Shake Shack merch online? Well, here is how you can get it and make it yours. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in, you can scroll down to the bottom and there you can just click on the Shack store or shop to open the Shack official store. And there you can browse through the categories like apparel, accessories or gifts. So there, once you do that, you can select the item you want and choose the size or style if needed. And once you're done with it, just hit add to cart. And once you're ready, you can go to your cart and double check your items and click on checkout. And there, once you're done with it, on the next page, you have to enter the shipping details and select the payment method and confirm your order. And that's it. With that, your Shack merch will be on its way. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.